This is King Whamon. One of the largest Digimon discovered. He's more than just a Digimon. This Digimon also recognized as a... This Digimon is also a whale that's also disguised as an island. A Digimon that wakes up once every 1,000 years to be fed. Mostly it is given Digibites. He's more than just an island, but he's also very wise and all-knowing. One of the wisest Digimon ever discovered. He's highly intelligent and home to many Digimon pals. Like the one, the only Chibi Turtlemon, and Archelomon as well. This King Whamon is home to many Digimon, such as... Well, you get the idea. Only one last thing to add, and that's the islands on top of his forehead. This island here is what inhabits all the residents and folks here on the island zone. King Whamon has also been one of my recent favorites for the Digimon series. He looks a lot like Orochimon's evolved form. And possibly, he looks a lot like... Well... I don't know what to say. He looks a lot like Wailord. Let's add some extra pattern here. And finished. There he is. That is how you draw King Whamon. Mission complete. One of the best bosses ever drawn, completed. There's his pond, here's the mountains. Everything about him is legendary. This ought to be a great idea for the new Scarlet and Violet games. There we are. That's all for now. Please like your blog and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what new Pokemon or Digimon you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.